Did the president just commit to another stimulus package and a second stimulus check in a recent interview? Let's find out. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and this is your stimulus package and second stimulus check update for today. New and quite interesting interview with the president was held yesterday and the news is good. By the way, thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel and you're part of this community. If not, please consider subscribing for daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future. Just hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. We will be doing another stimulus package. This is what the president said in an interview with Scripps correspondent. That for me is a clear confirmation of everything that we have been expecting in the last few weeks, if not even a couple of months. Yes, we had many proposals flying around. We had Mitch McConnell outlining what the Senate will be looking to do and the budget of around $1 trillion that they would like to see the next bill under. Democrats, on the other hand, they passed the HEROES Act in the House. But all this will be meaningless unless the president is willing to sign whatever the next bill is into a law. With his most recent interview, I believe he is confirming what we're all waiting on, and that is that we will see another stimulus package at some point later this summer. Hit the like button down below if you're excited for this. I'm excited. We're getting closer and closer, and I know the wait and see game has been going on for quite a while, but it is coming to an end soon. Now, during that same interview, the president also shared some more details. He stated that the next stimulus package will be very good. It will be very generous. Remember that he was the one that came out with the suggestion and asked for a ticket price of $2 trillion for the next stimulus bill. Any way we look at it, at that amount, it will be almost as much as the CARES Act, which was around 2.4 trillion. That means it will be hard to believe that a second stimulus check will not be included in the next bill. After all, the direct stimulus payments to Americans, or the first stimulus check, was just a fraction of the overall cost of the CARES Act. Do you want to see a second stimulus check? If so, share a comment down below, please. The president was also asked how much the next stimulus payment might be, at which he answered, "You will find out about it. You will find out." So he did not decline the possibility for a second stimulus check. He did not say we'll have it either. But overall, in my opinion, he confirmed that we will find out what it will be very soon. Also, share the video so more people can hear this good news. And what I believe is the best part of his interview yesterday was that the president also added that he thinks the relief funds would receive a bipartisan support and could be announced over the next couple of weeks. Next couple of weeks. Now, that sounds fantastic, but is that realistic? Honestly, next couple of weeks falls around the 7th of July. The Senate is not going to be there during that time, so no bill can be voted on. But, and that is a big but, if the negotiations are already advanced and the bill is almost ready, which we don't know, Congress and the president might be able to swing it and sign it before the 4th of July. I have been talking about this for a while now. For me, personally, that makes the most sense. Will it happen? What do you think? Is it possible to see the next stimulus package bill signed before the 4th of July? Let me know. I would love to see your thoughts down below in the comments, and what do you believe will happen next. So another day, another positive news, another positive statement, basically confirming that we will see another stimulus bill and most likely another stimulus check. The sentiment for another stimulus package and a second stimulus check is staying very, very positive. I appreciate you watching this video. Please hit the like button, and as you know, I will give you all the updates as soon as physically possible with working around the clock for you. And as soon as we know more, you will see it right here on the Finance Kit channel. I want to say thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification as well, because I will continue to bring you all the updates as they happen. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will find other helpful links as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.